More highlights from Edward Seaga's final flight.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
At 6:06 p.m. on Sunday, the 2nd of June, the Caribbean Airlines plane carrying the remains of Edward Philip George Seaga landed. It was Seaga's last touchdown on the tarmac at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, where members of the 1st Battalion Jamaica Regiment, decked out in their bright red uniform, to execute a pompous welcome to the former Prime Minister who died in Miami, Florida on Tuesday, the 28th of May. Seaga's coffin, draped in the national flag, was received by a military guard of honor and as officials, led by Prime Minister Andrew Holness, and relatives watched, comforting each other with an occasional embrace. His body was brought to a waiting hearse and transported to the Romans funeral home. The public will have several opportunities to view Seaga's remains before he is buried in a state funeral to be held on the 23rd of June. His remains are expected to lie in state at the Jamaica Labour Party headquarters on June 5th. There will also be a viewing in Montego Bay on the 7th of June. On June 11 and 12, the body will be in Tivoli Gardens, and on June 19 and 20, public viewing will take place at the National Stadium. Several events are also planned ahead of his funeral, including a culture tribute on June 18 and a revival night on the 22nd of June.
He just fires, he's got his colors noticed on and on and on, turning heads to see the colors. It goes on and on and on and on. Stranger says he'll regret his armor. They don't get what it's like to be no one, no one, no one, no one. We don't wanna be hiding, we don't wanna be fighting, we don't wanna be running from the sun. We don't wanna keep trying, we consider denying. We don't wanna be running from the sun of ebony publicity. She carries on and on and on and on.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment below. Remember to like and share the video. Don't forget to subscribe for more awesome content. Follow me on social media and check out the suggested videos on screen. This is Teach saying, until next time, walk good, my friends.